What's up, everybody? This is Future Automation, a place where imagination meets reality, and you're listening to Tejas. So, in previous video, we have seen about how we are going to use Selenium and Python to log in into Facebook and post some posts, also images, and I have given a hint about how we can also upload videos. Now, next to that, we are going to deal with how we can check our message conversations, people who have sent you friend requests, and then mark all the notifications as read. The three objectives that we are going to do today are what we are going to do today. Okay, so let's get started. Let's dive into the code first. I'll try to explain you some stuff, basic getting started stuff, and then we can go to the execution. So this is the part that is already been shown in the previous video about how we can log in into Facebook. Now those who are new again, they can go in the previous videos and check out the previous videos and get a basic idea about how Selenium exactly work, what is find element and all that things, and then you can come back to this video and then continue. If still you want to continue, it's fine, no issues. Just try to get a brief idea about what I'm trying to explain. Go and read the documentations after the video, go and check the previous videos too. Okay, so here there is only one change. Now those who have executed the previous code of Facebook automation, that is part 1, they might have faced an issue that whenever they log in into Facebook, the browser tries to ask you about whether you want to allow notifications or block, basically in Chrome that I have experienced. Well, I tried finding a solution for that and I got it. So what we have to now, the what we can say, the reason to what we can say, stop asking that notifications allow or block is because whenever it will ask you that notification allow or block, the execution will get stopped, and then you have to manually or once again just select that part of the remaining part of the code and then execute it. So that is a very hectic or complicated thing, or that is like of no use. So basically we have to deal with it. So what we have to do is we have to just add one single line in the add one more Chrome options, that is disable notification. So what it will do is it will block the notification that Chrome asks you for allowing or blocking the Facebook notifications, and the execution will be continued smoothly. Okay, so first we are going to execute this block of code and we are going to log in into Facebook. Then I'll try to explain what exactly we are about to do this here, and then we can just move on. Okay, so run cell, it will start the browser, it will go to facebook.com and then it will log in. So basically I'm trying to move as slow as possible so that you can get an idea about how exactly we are trying to access each and every element in Facebook. So basically each task on Facebook can be automated based upon what our requirement is. So basically we are logged in into Facebook here, and now all we need to do is access all the three elements, that is the friend request tab, then the messages tab, and third one will be the notifications tab. Okay, so we'll go one by one. We'll start with the message window. So you have to just press F12 again. So you'll get the inspect window here. Go to the tool, then go take the mouse cursor over the messaging icon and click on that. Now here you can see that you will get the tag and the property and its classes which are responsible for the messaging icon. You have just have to right click, copy XPath and paste it over the code. Now remaining part is like this. First to make the code a little bit interactive, what I have done is I have created a menu here which will ask you for either you want to check the messages, either you want to check friend request, or either you want to check the notifications, like clear the notifications, mark each and every notification as read. So that's what I have tried to make it. Now you can give GUI for that if you want. Still I'm just giving you the back end idea about what we are going to do. So that's as per your wish, guys. Next to that is based upon our input, we are going to decide what we are going to run. So if we select messages, then the first block of code will be executed, second will execute the second block, and the third will execute the third block. So in the first block, as we have copied the XPath, we have to just use this syntax, that is driver.findElement by XPath, paste the XPath here and then use click. Now as I have explained in the previous video, if we are going to perform only single operations on any kind of element, we don't have to create instances like this. because we are not going to use these elements again, so that will save some of the execution time for us. Now I've given a time dot slip. Well, you can give it for 3 to anything, just for a click. It doesn't take much time, but for for better, I have given just 3 seconds. We can reduce it also. Next to that, what we are going to do is, we are, after clicking on this particular window, we are going to access this list, that is the list of the elements. So what we have to figure out is, we have to figure out how to access this whole window. So we have to take a little bit slightly at the corner of this window, the cursor, and the whole thing will be selected. Now we can move either down, or we can just select this. Now that depends upon your interpretation, how you are going to do it. Now either you can go like this, you can go more deeper, and you can try to select the whole list. If you don't get any satisfactory answer for that, you can just right click on this element, and you can just copy the XPath again. Now either you can go like that, or you can go with the CSS selector and everything. That depends totally on you. Now what I have done is, I have dived deep inside, and I have tried to find this UL jewel, which will give you the list. So basically what is this is that it is giving you that whole window, and I have accessed that window using CSS selector, and I have used the UL tag with the property of jewel content. So it will give you the list of the messages in this. Now next to that is, to select a specific message, what we have to do is, we have to again select the tool, click on the name of that person, and you will find a common tab. Now you can just go through different names, so that you can try to figure out what is the common tag that we can use. So here the common tag is strong, and we can use the strong tag strong tag here, so that you will get the name of the what we can say, name of the person who has sent you the message, or with whom you have recently had a conversation. So next to that, I have tried to get the date of the SMS, that is message. So similarly guys, we have gone through the next icon, its list and everything. So I'll also show you those things also. So let's dive into that part. So here what we are going to do next is, we'll go into the friends section here. Just a second. Yeah, so in friends list, again when we'll click, we'll get the list of the people who have sent you friend request. You can access the list. In the list you can access the here you can see now that when you will click on the tool here, and you'll go to the names, you'll find the list, that is here you can see the spam tag. So it is responsible for it is the common tag throughout the list, and you can access any of the property or any of the class from this using CSS selector, and you can iterate through the names of the people who have sent you the friend request. Now if you'll consider for the notifications here, then we are only going to deal with clearing the notifications. Now as you can see here that all the notifications here, few notifications are unread, so they are marked as unread. So when I'll click on this, it should get clear, that is marked as read. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'll make more notifications unread, so that you'll get an easy understanding about this. So again here we have to just we have to get the property of this. Once you will get the property of this, then you have to just get the property of this particular tag. So that is this. Either you can go this way, or you can go this way. So I guess you should go this way, because this will select the whole thing, that is settings also. So you have to just go this way. You can go more deep, well that totally depends upon again your interpretation. So this is all for the explanation part here. Now we are going to go into the execution again. So I'll keep both the windows side by side. Okay, so here again, just let me make this window a little bit big so that you can see here. Okay, so keep eye on the both stuff. Okay, while through here, we are going to execute only these three things here. Run the cell. Yeah, so it is asking us about what we need to check. So if I'll press 1 and I'll put enter, then you can see this side on the browser that the message window will get open. It will read the list of the people, it will give you the name and when they sent you the message. So let's go for it. Okay, it is checking everything, it is waiting, and yeah. Okay, so here you can see that I have got the list of the people and when they have sent, or when I have had a conversation with them. So that's the thing. Next to that, we are going to go with the friend requests. Go number 2, enter. So again, this side you can see that I have opened the friend request window, open the friend request window, and here we can see that people who have sent you the friend request. Again, um, I have not worked on any kind of like formatting. Each and every name should come after, like, should give an enter. Everything is one after another, no spaces and everything. I have just give /ns so that they can come on the new line. That's all. That's all. Yeah. Okay. So next is clear notifications. Number 3. Let's go to that. Enter. Here you can see that all the notifications are marked as read. So that's all, guys. We have automated Facebook's next 3 parts, that is friend request, messages and the notifications. Now what I want you guys to do is, first I want you guys to try and figure out how you can accept or ignore the friend request of one of the person. You can go ahead and try that.
Ooh, that's interesting.
Anyhow, I'm going to make a video on that too, but still I want you guys to try out. If anyone tries out and gets cleared and successful through that, do comment it and also try sharing the code with the other people too. Meanwhile, you can also try opening a message conversation and sending some message to someone, so that can be also a good deal to check out. So that will be the thing. For the hint, what you have to do is you have to access the whole window of that particular person message whom you want to reply. Say for example, like, try to find a common tag in each window of the message section, and then try to get access of the add as friend and ignore button, so that you can use it to click. So that is the hint for the friend request part. And hint for the messages, try to, now you have got the access of the name, that text, name of the text. You have to just try to click on it so that you can go to that particular conversation and then try to access that particular chat box, that is chat box. Once you get access to that, I guess you will be able to send a message and then again access the send key to click on it and send the message to that particular person. So that are the 2 hints and that are the 2 objectives that you can try. Anyhow, I'm going to make a video on that further in next coming 2-3 videos, but not immediately, because I'm trying to make it a little bit diversified so that you shouldn't get bored, and even I should not like try to make same videos or videos which are related to same objective continuously. So I'm trying to make it more diversified. So next to that, we'll try to automate another objective after this. And again, guys, I know that I'm a little bit late in posting the video, but I was stuck in some project and some work, so I didn't get much time, but I'll try to upload videos as soon as possible. So if you like the video, again, do like it, do share it, so that other people can also try and make some good code from that. And also, if you are not subscribed and new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so that you'll get the new videos notifications as soon as I post. And the last and the most important thing is, keep innovating. Thank you, guys. Take care.